Hey family, it's your girl Tina. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, so you all, I'm here to show you all how to make a envelope for the Slimline cards. The Slimline cards, right? Remember these cards that I did a video on, I made these cards with no die, right? So now I'm here to show you how you can make a envelope to go with it, and you need no die. So this is the envelope. Some people call these a policy holder envelope. You can call it a policy holder. You can call it an envelope. Whatever way you want to call it, it works for this card. And I'm going to show you how to make it. I did one in gray to show you all, and I just used regular cardstock. All right, so here we go. You're going to take a sheet of cardstock and cut it 9 by 10. 9 by 10. It's just that simple. So on the 10-inch side, you are going to score at 1 inch. And then you're going to score at 9 1/4. All right. Then you are going to turn your paper. And on the 9-inch side, you're going to score at 3. And you're going to score at 7. Okay. Now, this is what you should have. This is how it should look. All right. You're going to take your scissors. Now, if you look at both of these sides, this side is wider and this side is narrow. The narrowest end is the bottom of the envelope. The wider end is the top of the envelope. Okay. So we're just going to simply cut on the score lines. We're going to cut to that line. Then we're going to cut it off right here. We're going to cut this score line. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for this top portion. Cut on the score line. All right. Now, it should look like this on both ends. Now you're going to take your scissors and just slightly cut in an angle, a little bit off, coming to like that. Okay, so that's cutting some of the bulk off when you make sure when you begin to put your envelope together. Okay, cutting it at a slant. You're going to do that for both ends. Not a lot. See how it curved a little bit? You just want to take the little bulk from when you fold it off. All right. So now you can crease the fold the lines. Okay. Again, the top wide line, the wide section is the top, and the thin section is the bottom. All right. Now, I like the corner round look, so I'm going to round my corners. Okay. Doing the same thing for up here. Right? So it's already starting to look like an envelope. Okay? So now we're going to we don't have to worry about rounding these because that's going to be the inside. If you want to do that, you can. So now I'm going to take my hot glue glue gun. You do not have to use a hot glue gun. I'm using a hot glue gun, but you don't have to. You're going to take your hot glue gun, and I'm just going to put a little strip of glue. And I'm going to close that up. Just like that. Now, remembering that the wider part is the top, and this part, the thinner part, is the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to put me a little strip of hot glue. Again, you could use whatever adhesive you want. Score tape, red line tape. It's your prerogative. Wet glue. But here's your envelope. All done. All right, let's see if it fits. Here's the Slimline card. There we go. Close it up, address it, and mail it out. So here you go, you all. All you need is a 9x10 cut of cardstock. You are going to score it on the 10-inch side at 1 inch and then at 9 1/4. You're going to turn the paper and you're going to score it on the 9-inch side at 3 inches and 7 inches. And then cut off, fold, and put together. Tell me what you think. I felt that it was easy, quick. I used no dies. I used no other tutorial. I just sat down and measured my card and then made my measurements with the cardstock. All right. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you felt this tutorial was helpful, please leave it in the comments. If it was not easy to understand, leave that in the comments as well, because that helps me with my future tutorials. If everything was understandable, it was easy to you, please say so in the comments. Talk to me, people. Help me out. Give me thumbs up if you like this tutorial. Till next time, stay blessed and keep creating.